1. The Bergen County Academies admission test primarily assesses students in which grade level for potential enrollment? A. 7th grade students for 8th grade enrollment. B. 8th grade students for 9th grade enrollment. C. 9th grade students for 10th grade enrollment. D. 10th grade students for 11th grade enrollment. 2. Which of the following is not one of the 7 specialized academy programs offered at Bergen County Academies? A. Academy for Engineering and Design Technology. B. Academy for Medical Science Technology. C. Academy for Culinary Arts and Hospitality. D. Academy for Visual and Performing Arts. 3. What is the primary mathematical focus area tested on the BCA entrance examination? A. Basic arithmetic and pre-algebra only. B. Algebra 1 geometry and introductory Algebra 2 concepts. C. Advanced calculus and statistics. D. Discrete mathematics and number theory. 4. The BCA admission process includes which of the following components beyond the written examination? A. Personal essay and teacher recommendations. B. Audition or portfolio review for all applicants. C. Mandatory parent interview. D. Community service hours verification. 5. In the mathematics section of the BCA exam, approximately how many questions typically appear? A. 20 to 25 questions. B. 30 to 35 questions. C. 40 to 50 questions. D. 60 to 70 questions. 6. The verbal language arts section of the BCA entrance exam primarily tests which skills? 8. Grammar rules and spelling only. B. Reading comprehension, vocabulary, and analytical writing. C. Foreign language proficiency. D. Public speaking abilities. 7. What is the typical time limit for completing the BCA entrance examination? A. 90 minutes total. B. 2 hours total. 3 hours total. D. 4 hours with breaks. Which academy at BCA focuses specifically on business, finance, and entrepreneurship? A. Academy for Technology and Computer Science. B. Academy for Business and Finance. C. Academy for the Advancement of Science and Technology. D. Academy for Engineering and Design Technology. 9. The Academy for the Advancement of Science and Technology, AAST, at BCA emphasizes which primary focus areas? A. Pure mathematics and theoretical physics only. B. Research-based scientific inquiry across multiple disciplines. C. Environmental science exclusively. D. Computer programming and robotics only. 10. On the BCA entrance exam, essay writing is typically evaluated based on which criteria? A. Length and word count primarily. B. Organization, clarity of argument, supporting evidence, and writing mechanics. C. Creative storytelling ability only. D. Use of advanced vocabulary regardless of context. 11. What is the approximate acceptance rate for Bergen County Academies? A. Approximately 50 to 60%. B. Approximately 40 to 50%. C. Approximately 25 to 35%. D. Approximately 10 to 15%. 12. The mathematics portion of the BCA exam includes questions on which geometric concepts? A. Basic shapes and perimeter calculations only. B. Coordinate geometry, transformations, proofs, and three-dimensional figures. C. Advanced topology and non-Euclidean geometry. D. Construction techniques with compass and straightedge only. 13. In reading comprehension passages on the BCA exam, students are typically asked to memorize and recite passages verbatim. B. Identify main ideas, make inferences, analyze author's purpose, and evaluate arguments. C. Translate passages into different languages. D. Rewrite passages in their own words entirely. 14. Which of the following best describes the Academy for Visual and Performing Arts, AVPA, admission requirements? A. Written exam only, no additional requirements. B. Written exam plus audition or portfolio submission. Audition or portfolio only, no written exam. D. Teacher recommendation only. 15. The BCA entrance exam vocabulary section tests students' ability to define words in isolation only. B. Use context clues, understand word relationships, identify synonyms and antonyms, and apply words correctly. C. Spell complex words correctly. D. Translate words from Latin and Greek roots exclusively. 16. What mathematical concept is frequently tested regarding algebraic expressions on the BCA exam? A. Simple addition and subtraction of like terms only. B. Factoring, solving equations and inequalities, working with exponents, and manipulating rational expressions. C. Memorization of formulas without application. D. Graphing calculators are required for all problems. 17. Bergen County Academies students are drawn from which geographic area? A. Bergen County, New Jersey only. B. All of New Jersey. C. New Jersey and New York. D. Tri-state area including Connecticut. 18. The Academy for Technology and Computer Science (ATCS) curriculum emphasizes A. Hardware repair and maintenance exclusively. B. Programming, software development, algorithms, data structures, and computational thinking. C. Video game design only. D. Social media marketing. 19. On the BCA entrance exam, which type of mathematical word problems are commonly included? A. Single-step arithmetic problems only. B. Multi-step problems involving rates, ratios, percentages, probability, and real-world applications. C. Problems requiring memorization of pi to 50 decimal places. D. Problems solvable only with advanced calculus. 20. The essay portion of the BCA exam typically requires students to A. Write a creative fiction story only. B. Respond to a prompt with a well-reasoned argument supported by evidence and examples. C. Summarize a provided text without adding personal insight. D. Write poetry using specific meter and rhyme schemes. 21. Which of the following skills is essential for success on the reading comprehension section of the BCA exam? A. Speed reading without comprehension. B. Ability to analyze text structure, identify literary devices, and draw logical conclusions. C. Memorization of literary terms only. D. Reading only fiction passages. 22. The Academy for Engineering and Design Technology (AEDT) focuses on which areas? A. Civil, mechanical, electrical engineering, and design thinking. B. Software engineering exclusively. C. Agricultural engineering only. D. Fashion design and textiles. 23. What type of geometry problems appear most frequently on the BCA mathematics exam? A. Proofs requiring formal two-column format only. B. Applied problems involving area, volume, angle relationships, similarity, and coordinate geometry. C. Compass and straightedge constructions without calculations. D. Memorization of postulates and theorems without application. 24. The Academy for Medical Science Technology (AMST) prepares students for careers in A. Hospital administration only. B. Healthcare, biomedical research, medicine, and health sciences. C. Pharmaceutical sales exclusively. D. Medical billing and coding. 25. On the BCA entrance exam, analogies and word relationships test students' ability to memorize dictionary definitions. B. Recognize patterns, understand semantic relationships, and apply logical reasoning. C. Spell words correctly. D. Write sentences using specific vocabulary. 26. Which algebraic concept is tested regarding functions on the BCA exam? A. Definition of function only. B. Evaluating functions, understanding domain and range, function notation, and analyzing function behavior. C. Advanced differential equations. D. Complex imaginary number theory exclusively. 27. The BCA Admissions Committee considers which factors in the holistic review process? A. Entrance exam scores exclusively. B. Entrance exam scores, essays, recommendations, grades, and demonstrated interest in chosen academy. C. Family connections and donations. Athletic achievements only. 28. In the Academy for Business and Finance ABF, students study which core subjects? A. Economics, accounting, finance, marketing, and entrepreneurship. B. Art history and music theory. C. Computer programming exclusively. D. Foreign languages only. 29. The BCA entrance exam reading passages are drawn from which sources? A. Elementary school textbooks only. B. Literary fiction, nonfiction articles, scientific texts, historical documents, and contemporary essays. Social media posts and text messages. D. Comic books and graphic novels exclusively. 30. What is the purpose of the teacher recommendation in the BCA application process? A. To verify attendance only. B. To provide insight into students' academic abilities, work ethic, character, and potential for success. C. To confirm the student's home address. D. To list all grades received in previous years. Which mathematical concept related to data analysis appears on the BCA exam? Creating artistic graphs only. B. Interpreting charts and graphs, calculating measures of central tendency, and understanding basic probability. C. Advanced statistical inference and hypothesis testing. D. Quantum probability calculations. 32. The Academy for Culinary Arts and Hospitality would be replaced by which actual BCA academy? A. Academy for Engineering and Design Technology. B. Academy for Business and Finance. C. This was a distractor. BCA does not have a culinary academy. D. Academy for Medical Science Technology.